Hey guys, welcome back. I'm super excited to share some projects that I worked on today. They're really quick projects, and I'm also going to do a tutorial because it's not that hard. I'm trying to catch up on everything because, as most of you know, I just got back from vacation. So I'm behind on my projects, my journals, and my swap. So every day I'm trying to do a little of something. So I finished a journal and I'm working on my swap, and then tomorrow I'm going to work on my design team projects. I'm just going to try to tackle a little at a time until I get caught up. So today I made these really cute beaded jumbo paper clips. I think they turned out so cute. Let me share really quick. So this one here, this is a unicorn and rainbow theme. Look at that. Really, really cute. I love the colors. I also made a sweet treat theme. I love this. If you hear my dog snoring, it's because he's underneath my desk and I don't want to shoo him away because we were gone for almost 2 weeks and he's been really clingy. So I'm just letting him do whatever he wants to do because he just doesn't want to be alone. This one here, I attempted a dangle, and this is a dangle of sweet treats. You can see the chocolate bars, the ice cream, the lollipop, the gumball machine, and the cookie. So I thought that one was really cute. I'm not really a dangle maker, and I didn't hurt my hand, so that worked out. So I think these are super fun to make. So let's get started. So first you're going to need a jumbo paper clip. This measures 4 inches. I'm not sure where I got mine from, like these colors, because they've been in my stash for a while, but I do know that Hobby Lobby, Temu, Amazon, and I'm sure AliExpress and maybe even Michael's sells jumbo paper clips, so you can find them at one of those stores. And then you're going to need to pick your beads. I have this tray here. Oops. This tray is from, I don't even know where it's from. Maybe Temu, I'm not sure. You're going to pick out your beads, design them how you want, and you're also going to get a dangle of your choice, and you're going to make that. So this one, these two here have 2 dangles. I put one, this is the center bead, and then I just put a dangle on each side of the center bead, as you can see, and that's just the design I made for these. This one here, I just did one in the center and then I made it longer. So there's so many possibilities what you can do. So for this one, I thought I'm going to do a short, just a charm in the center, and because sometimes these vary in size as far as the part where they cut the wire here, you see right here, depends on how many beads you can put on the paper clip. Like this one has more because I guess the cutoff points are shorter, where these are the same, but they're the same size. So you have to play around with it. It just depends if you want it to be uniform, like to match across, or if you just want all different colors, then it doesn't matter. So you're going to get your paper clip and you're going to start stringing the beads. So first I'm going to start, because this is going to be the top, so you're just going to put your beads on. Oh, and then your beads have to be big hole beads. So these are pony beads, and that's just a bead that I have in my stash. I'm not sure what they're called, but they were big enough to put through the paper clip. So you're going to put these on. You're going to string your center or your centers depending, and then you're going to push it down, and where this ends, it usually stops it. That's when you know where to stop for your beads, so you can count how many beads you can fit all the way up till this end there. So then I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest here. Just put them on, and there's no gluing tape. There's nothing like that. It's just really easy because the ends stop the beads from coming down. There you go. You see? There's a little space there. So you can do one of two things. You can put a center bead and make it where it fits a little tighter, which I think I could do actually. It looks like I could have put a center bead there. Or you can leave it because it doesn't really matter. It's still cute. Or you can add more charms. You can add maybe 3 charms. You can put a charm here and then put a charm dangling from between the purple and the pink and on this side, so you can have 3 charms. So that would be cute too, right? But I think I like the way this looks. And let me get a paper. All right, I just have this. And so that's how it would look. And it just dangles. Isn't that cute? Super fun and super easy. A fun way to use your pony beads or any beads that have big holes. And like I said, they stay put because of the stoppers. It's not really a stopper, but you know, the ends of the paper clip. It stops the beads from going down, so you don't have to worry about that. So yeah, so I think these are really cute. If you're going to make these, please tag me. I'd love to see your creations. Thank you for stopping by, and I will be back soon. Bye.